Guys, today I want to show you a free platform where you can create amazing designs for your social media profiles. You can make CVs, documents, flyers, or any kind of thumbnails you need. So this platform is called Canva. Yeah, the canva.com. When you go to the main page, here you will see, you have to log in. It's totally free. So here you can find templates, what you want to create. Social media, posts, cover photos, business cards, infographic, whatever you need. Yeah, these are my designs. You can share designs with other people. You can create your brand. So if you have a brand, this I think, yeah, there is a, you can use it, but for the full feature you need to be updated. Number I will later, but basically you can prestige. You can you can set the fonts, logo. You can actually upload anything. If you have a higher membership, then you can also upload your own. But again, this is I talk about it later a little bit. Here you can create teams with other people, so you can work together. Folders, trash, features. Okay, so let's see. Now I'm gonna make let's say a Facebook cover photo. My internet is not too hopefully it will do the job. I had to remove him to another country. So for example, here you have hundreds of templates you want to you can choose from, and of course you can edit all of them you like, how you like, but just for the now we're gonna edit it a little bit. I don't want to go too deep into this. I just want to give you a quick review on how Canva works. So basically, yeah, you can change these photos if you like. You can font. This one is also an element, text, and another element. So if you, let's say, do this one, delete, point, let's put the flower in the backside, point, this, right, fits as well, this, bigger. You can put it in the back side point if you want. Yeah. Just it as like this color. You can background remover. Let's see there. This one just brightness. Hope you can flip it horizontally, point, vertically, point, crop, make it more transparent. Yeah, let's put something in the background. Let's say change the background color, make it a bit more. Oh. Color. This one. Bigger if you like. Point. Up you with the lines to fit nicely. Element. Something nice. I don't know how to change the color of that. Okay, basically you may get the hint of it here. For example, you can, let's say we take this one out, coin, put this one in. You can pick photos. Here you have a lot of stock photos you can choose from. Let's say put in just one, and that's it. My style, let's do the color. It's better. Lighter one. You can change the font. You can go backward. Now this is behind this. Like, maybe you understand more or less how to do that. You can crop, flip, point. You can do anything you want. Here you can have photos, have multiple elements you can choose from, stickers and other cool stuff you can load. So you have a tons of stuff to work from. Let's put this fish here, point. Yeah. Like boom, fish. Transparency with this, and you can make it a bit more invisible. Okay, so that's about the pictures. There is not much to actually I'll describe this, but I wanted to show you more is how to create documents and flyers and stuff like this. So here you can click documents and presentation. Well, this time I will show you this resume. Yeah, we'll take this one for example. I played this one a little bit. It was so this is the CV. Basically, everything has more or less everything has a No, more or less everything is on what you need to create a CV. So here's the photo. Here also this was a template, so you can choose and edit the way you like. So here you can use your name, Leslie News, and the actor, and you just fill up your details. Pong pong, this one I put it here, I can take it off. If I want, I can put another element here, same way like we did before. Well, here. Fine. Okay, probably you don't want this on your CV, but you can change color, you can change anything. Okay, here, fine. Color you can make it pink, gray, beige, whatever you feel like. So this is also not a difficult thing. You also have the videos you can edit, you can in your creation. So as I said, here there are features. Learning, you can learn about how to use Canva. Yeah, there are a few modules here as well. Yeah, presentations, branding. Oh, it's a really great platform if you need it to design, or you cannot afford out stuff, you can do it on your own. So let's see the pricing. Yeah, as I said, the basic feature is for free. This is what I use now. As you saw, you can do basically anything you want. But if you want to go for Pro, everything has what the free has everything what the free version gives you, which is 8,000 plus free templates, hundreds plus design types, hundreds of thousands of free photos and graphics. So I think it's more than enough to begin your business. So on the top of this, you will have with the Pro features, which cost $8.99 per month and it's paid annually, so that's roughly rather less than $100 a year. So for this, you will get create your brand's visual identity with logos, colors, and fonts in one brand kit. So basically, you can set up your whole brand all together as it is. I don't really know what is the difference, but probably if you have you can let me know in the comments. I haven't tried it yet. Premium stock images, photos, videos. I don't know. I'm okay now. I would rather do outsource because I'd better give it a professional to take care of it. Anyway, I would make money with it, so that I don't know, $10 per piece. Big money for a professional. But if I would make it, it wouldn't look like that. This I would suggest it for those who have money to outsource. If you have money to outsource and you don't know about graphic design, I think it's better to rely on cloud. So enterprise budget, that's $27 per month, which is gonna be over $300. Oh, pardon, euros per year. Oh. Okay, basically that's all about the Canva. I really like to use it, but if you liked also, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. I hope it was a helpful video for you to begin with. In the next video I will make a review on course, Jonathan Montoya Freedom Breakthrough course about affiliate marketing. I had a small quick review on this one earlier, and now I will go a bit deeper in that one. So about affiliate marketing or digital marketing generally I highly suggest you come back a few days. Now you can hit the subscribe button, and you can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and here on YouTube. Have a nice day. Ciao.